What did I just step on? It feels weird. How did you get in here? Are you hurt? I think I just stepped on you. Sorry. I didn't realize you're here. But you're just so tiny. Like, you're just a little bit small. I mean, you kinda could. You look good when you're like that. Shit. I'm getting hungry right now. I'll look in the fridge to eat something. I don't see any food in here. Shit. I forgot to go to store today. It's too late now. Well, now that you're the only one here, might as well get a snack. Hey, don't run away. I just want a taste test. You taste so wonderful. My stomach is getting angrier and hungrier now. I cannot hold it much longer. You look so tasty. Don't worry, little Mundy. I'll keep you safe in here. I'll promise.